Manchester High is represented this evening by Team Captain Matthew Dunkley, Kimarley Ferguson, Stefan Smart, and Jalissa Tracy. While Jamaica College is represented by Team Captain Jaheem McCoury, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarley Banton, and Marvin White. Hello and welcome to the second match in this semi-final series. Jamaica College won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead. Another win tonight will put them in the grand finals. But if Manchester High wins tonight, they will force a deciding match. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. The semi-finalists have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move into the grand final? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manchester High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Manchester High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have the time on the clock, Manchester, so we'll begin. With English language, give an 11-letter synonym for the word respond that starts with A and ends with E.
Respond. If I respond to you, I give you an answer. All right. Answer. Answer.
No, acknowledge. English language, Jamaica College, give a 6-letter synonym for the word submissive that starts with D and ends with E.
Docile.
Correct. International affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Salman.
Man, Saudi Arabia. Give you Saudi Arabia one.
Salman.
No, it's Mishal Al-Ahmad Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, the Emir of Kuwait. International affairs for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mohammed bin Atani.
No, it's Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Emir of Qatar. Manchester High Spanish. What item is la cuchara?
The spoon.
The spoon.
Good. Spanish. Jamaica College. What item is el tenedor?
The fork. The fork. The fork.
That's right. Geography, Manchester. Fissures, vents, and plugs are all associated with which geological feature?
Volcano.
That's right. Geography, JC. Faulting, ground movement, and landslides are all associated with which geological feature?
Earthquake.
That's right. Music for Manchester. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer here.
Live in privacy. Anything him do, all me a see.
Gregg
No, it's Jacob Miller with Inner Circle. Music for JC. Listen to the following clip. Identify the artiste.
Who say granny no miserable? If you live with your granny, you will turn granny too. Who say granny no love the
Icamos.
No, it's General Degree. Granny. History, Manchester High. In what year did the Netherlands declare independence from Spain?
So 1648.
1648.
1581. History, JC. In what year did Australia become a federation?
1901.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actress, please.
Roberta Cesara.
No, it's the lovely Dorothy Cunningham. Theatre and cinema, JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actor.
Ronnie Williams.
No, it's Silton Townsend. Physics, Manchester. What is the general term for the curved path traced out by a body launched with initial velocity at an angle to the horizontal?
Parabola.
Correct. Physics, JC. What 13-letter word is used to describe the prolongation of sound at a given point after direct reception from the source has ceased?
Reverberation.
That's right. Sport for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mario Barros.
No, it's Igor Jesus. Sport for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Richarlison.
That's right, both Brazilian footballers. Mathematics, Manchester. The area of a rectangular floor is 216 meters squared. Its length is 6 meters. What is the width?
36 meters, isn't it?
Go ahead.
36 meters.
36 meters.
Good. Mathematics JC, the area of a rectangular floor is 156 meters squared. Its length is 13 meters. What is the width?
12 meters.
12
meters. 12 meters.
That's right. And that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores in the match. Manchester High on 4 points, Jamaica College on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge semi-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.